It's Wednesday. Question of the day. What is the dumbest way that you've been injured? One time, I thought it would be a really good idea to clean 2 red kettlebells and have no idea how to actually clean 2 kettlebells. And so for the next 8 months, I had a clubbed out, smashed finger because I just wrecked it between the handles 2 times because I thought surely it won't happen again. It was just a fluke. That was pretty bad. Don't do that. Just follow directions and don't try to do a max effort lift the first time you ever do it. Warm up. We're gonna go with 5 rounds of this, okay? 10 or 8 calories on whatever you've got, or a short run, like 40 seconds, or 30 mountain climbers, okay? Nasal breathing only for all of this. 20 single unders or penguin taps if you don't have a rope. And then you're gonna take a 20-second rest. That's the only change that I made. I just wanted you guys to have the ability to make sure you reset instead of just going for 5 minutes straight. So each round get a little bit faster and then call it good. For the mobility, we're gonna rock out our couch stretch. We're gonna go 90 seconds on each side. If you have the time, I would go for 2 rounds of this, okay? We're gonna go 10 seconds, contract and relax through that 90 seconds, okay? Increase the intensity of the contraction as you get deeper into that 90 seconds. So start like a little bit of a squeeze, cool, relax, stretch, a little bit harder of a squeeze, so on and so forth, until by the end of it, stay safe, but max effort, butt squeeze, quad squeeze, try to break whatever's behind you, keeping your foot up, and then switch sides. Cool. Quad mobility. Also really good for your low back. Just a fun fact. Specific movement stuff, you've got 30 seconds of each of these. You're gonna go alternating scorpions, cool. Hollow hold, awesome. Scale that as needed, just bring it back in. You wanna be able to fill that 30 seconds with the hollow hold. Arch hold next, awesome. And then jumping air squats at the end, and then repeat for that. About a 4-minute movement prep cycle. Here's where we're gonna part ways a little bit. I'll try to explain this in the most simple way possible. We'll see how it goes. Metcon, you've got to start 5 rounds of 12 wall balls and 20 double unders. Cool. If you don't have a wall ball, I would rock out about 20 jumping air squats or 20 goblet squats if you have a dumbbell or kettlebell. And then if you don't have a jump rope, I would just work on your penguin taps. One of the best things you can do right now to get better at double unders is to do the penguin tap. I know it's silly, but it will, when you get your rope back in your hand, you'll just be able to jump right back in theoretically. You're welcome for that. After you get done with those 5 rounds, you rest for 3 minutes. Then you've got 5 rounds of 15 toes to bar or hollow rocks, and then 20 to 30, again, double unders or penguin taps. Cool. Once you get done with that couplet, you're gonna rest another 3 minutes. And then you're gonna do a 30, 20, 10 of wall balls and toes to bar, or the jumping squats, goblet squats, and hollow rocks for the end. This whole thing is gonna be for time. Awesome. Get after it. That's a lot of fun. It's a lot of core workout. Should get a great beach bod for the weekend. And if you want to, or if you want to exchange this, if you have the extra time, whatever it is, the running conditioning for today is going to be 6 rounds of a 200-meter run with 2 minutes of rest in between. Effort level, I want you guys to build each round. Okay, so start out at a pretty brisk pace, but I want you to be able to take it like a degree more intense every single time. So by the 6th round, 1, you're not so trash that you can't sprint, and 2, you can make that 6th round your fastest, okay? Don't worry about it. If you get to the 4th round and like you're just giving it all you got, that's fine. Give it all you got. Just make sure you give it all you got for the next couple rounds. Cool. All right, guys. Happy hump day, and we'll be back on Thursday night with Friday's whiteboard brief.